So we were seeing about the linearity of receiver. So two important parameters which will quantify that. One is dynamic range. So how will you specify dynamic range? It is the difference between the peak power what your receiver can, what your amplifier can provide to the sensitivity, to the minimum power which your receiver can detect. So that difference, if you take in logarithm scale, it is going to be the dynamic range. And one more extension of this dynamic range is going to be SFDR given by spurious free dynamic range. So it is also going to be the same difference only, but here we are going to consider a two-tone signal. Two-tone signal means I am going to supply a signal with two frequencies. So tone corresponds to one frequency. So two tone means I am going to supply a signal with two frequencies, and I'm going to look for the intermodulation noise, IM product. So the difference between the peak power to the receiver noise is going to be, so where this IM product is there, that power is going to be my lowermost level. The difference between these two is going to be the SFDR, or what is called as the spurious free dynamic range. So these two parameters will quantify the performance